bright and early. Look at how full this car is. And we're ready. We're ready for the tailgate. All right. We'll see you down there, guys. Okay.
Okay, we are here at UT Stadium, setting up for tailgate. So just kind of give you an idea of what our setup is like. We are right outside the stadium. It's hard to see because of the trees, but the stadium is like right there. That's Bevo Boulevard. So we're right there next to all the action. Everybody's going to come through here down the street to get into the game. So we're in a prime spot right here on the corner. I am cooking for everybody today at this sponsored tailgate. We've got all kinds of sponsors here, including like local liquors and tequila and vodka, all made here in Austin. We've got some beer companies, Carbox Beer, made here in Texas, is sponsoring as well, providing free drinks and everything. And I am here cooking. There's my little setup. So let's go look at it. There's Justine, my sous chef. So we're using the Blackstone 28-inch flex fold here to tailgate. We're going to be cooking for anywhere between 50 and 100 people, depending on how many people kind of mosey by. We've got all our food set up here. We're going to be making some Mexican street corn and some chicken tinga tacos today. Got the griddle heating up, so we're ready to go. We are setting up over here, getting our little promotional stuff put up so that we can display it. This will be all set up. There's a bar over there. I don't know if you can see it. They've got a big screen TV, so you don't even have to go into the game. You can just watch TV. We've got some other tailgates sitting up next to us. So we're going to get the Mexican street corn started here. Throw some oil down. We've got 2 big bags of frozen super sweet corn here. So we're going to do both of these at the same time. This griddle is the perfect size for this. Wasn't sure if it would manage to be able to do both bags, but it does just fine. So I'm basically just going to kind of let this cook the frozenness off of it a little bit, thaw out a bit. Then we'll start adding other stuff to it. Get that butter kind of mixed in there. All right, the quintessential tequila lime seasoning. We're gonna put a lot of this on. Season this corn up real good. Oh, smell it. Do about 3 limes worth of lime juice on this. You do have that lime seasoning in there, but nothing beats some fresh lime juice. All right, we're gonna add some mayonnaise, Duke's mayonnaise, of course. This is a lot of corn, so we need a lot of it. I don't quite want to do the whole jar, but probably about 3/4 of it. And then fresh chopped cilantro. This is about 2 bundles of cilantro. About 1 bundle per bag of corn. This will be the last thing we add before we pull this off the griddle. So get this mixed up real good, then we're going to pull it off and add the rest of the ingredients after. We're going to pull this off, put it in one of these pans. Go ahead and get some in there so it doesn't blow away. So now we've got some Mexican table cream, Mexican crema. We're going to do just about the whole thing in here. Yeah, just do the whole thing. Give that a good mix. Oh yeah, look how creamy and stuff that looks. We've got our grated cojita cheese. To me, this is the secret to this stuff. This is my favorite part. So with this amount, we're gonna basically use this whole thing. I'm gonna put about half of it on and then mix it up. And then we'll top it with the other half. So there's about half. Get that mixed in there. All right, here's our topping. And then just to add a little color and kind of finish it, these are our Hot Cheetos that have been crushed up in the food processor. We're just going to sprinkle some of these lightly on top. Not going to do a whole lot because people may not like the heat, but they will have some over there so they can add more if they want it. And there we go. Mexican street corn.